Hello, this is Richard. I am going to show you how to set up a F P bubble CPAP setup, and it's very simple. All we need is the bubbler, and it slides right behind the heater with the bracket already in place. All you just slide it in, okay? And then we will also have a pressure pop-off valve, just looks similar to the high flow. And then our O2 tubing, our traditional, going to the flow meter and connect it to your pop-off valve. Okay, the neat thing about this one also is we can integrate with our analyzer, O2 analyzer. We don't have to use this T adapter anymore. Just remove the little blue cap here and it slides right in. So that's how you analyze your O2. Okay. And you do have the safety of 40 psi pop off if you have back pressure. Okay, and then here's our circuit. Our circuit has the blue limb is heated wire, and with the very short 8 inches non-heated. So you're going to expect some condensation buildup. That's pretty normal. They come with a little elbow adapter for leak test the circuit, and your expiratory limb is non-heated. Okay, so when you put it on the wet side, make sure your temperature probe is pushing all the way to avoid additional condensation. See, the circuit has a V knot. You want to work it in as hard as you can until you flush with the V. Okay, because that's very important, because that is the flow and the temperature probe built in. Okay, the other end, as long as you push it all the way in, you don't see no more blue, then you're good. Okay, and then our heated wire, since this is the dual limb heated wire, just use a short limb, go in the back of the circuit. Okay, and the other limb, just leave it hanging. Okay, the other end of this circuit will go to the bubbler, and it goes right into the rod where your CPAP rod is. Okay. Okay, the next step before we can test the system is to add the water. So we use 1 liter sterile water, and we're going to pour the water into this funnel right here. This funnel is removable. That's where you're going to pour the water. You keep on pouring the water until you see the water overflow to the suction chamber, which is right here. Good thing is no more measuring tape, no more tape. Okay, as soon as I see water overflow, I stop. Okay, so now I'm going to test a leak test. You set your flow meter at 1, I'm going to use the portable tank. You set your flow meter at 1 liter. Okay, with that elbow that I mentioned before, right now the cap is open. I should not see any bubble in my bubbler. Okay, when I cap, I should see bubble, which telling me that the system is good, no leak in the system. That's it. That's a quick test, and after this, just remove it. Okay, then you will have your Hudson prong, is what we use, and it should fit into direct to Hudson prong. You don't need no special adapter, and no more temperature probe sticking out to the baby. Okay, let's turn it up to 8 liter. That's the common flow meter that we use. I'm going to pinch the prong to make it bubble. Okay, so if the doctor orders CPAP of 6, you make sure your number show number 6. That's a CPAP of 6. Okay, and if they order 8, just slide down to number 8. That's CPAP of 8. Okay, And every shift, you should pour a little bit, while it's still bubbling, pour a little bit of water just to make sure that you see the overflow. And that should be it. Any excess overflow will go to this chamber right here. And don't let this water go up to this maximum line, or else it's gonna inadvertently go back into this chamber. We don't want that to happen. So to dump this water, all you have to do is lift the canister up and slide it out. And you can pour the water in the sink. Put it back, slide into the groove, in and drop it, and it will stay. It's not gonna automatic slide out. That's it.